Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Breadcrumbs with Shauna-Lee. I am your host and welcome to my kitchen. I know I was missing last week. Your girl got sick and I was not feeling good whatsoever. So I want to apologize for missing last week's video, but I'm so glad to be back. I'm so glad to be back in front of the camera, sharing another recipe with you guys. And also, I'm actually kind of glad that I was sick last week because it kind of helped me do just a lot of self-reflecting, and I don't really feel like I show my personality that much on here. I kind of just feel like I make the video and put it out there and hope that people like it, but I want to be more personable. I want to show you guys more of me. I want this to be like a chit chat, hang out, let's cook together type of vibe. So if you're new here or returning, it might look a little different, it might seem a little different, but your girl's just feeling different. I feel this new sense of self, and I am very excited about the journey that I have started, and I am just grateful for last week. I had so many meaningful conversations and just kind of started to figure out where I'm headed and what this new chapter of my life is going to be. And this YouTube channel is a huge part of that because I do want to show more of my cooking. I do want to show more of my personality. I love being in the kitchen. I love making recipes. It might be a little different, but I'm excited for the change and I'm excited for what's to come. And with all of that being said, let's start cooking. Today we are going to be making spring rolls. If you live in a 4-season state, you know that when the sun starts to come out a little bit, it starts getting a little warm. All of a sudden it's summertime, it's springtime, you know, it's time to frolic in the wind. So we are going to be making some spring rolls today. We are actually going to prep together. I'm not going to prep off to the side. You guys are going to come with me and we're going to prep together. We're going to chit chat and prep together. So let's prep all of our veggies that we're going to need for the spring rolls and then we'll get to cooking. Okay, so I'm going to be doing carrots, cabbage, a little cilantro, and I'm also going to use these noodles, and then I have pork. I know some people do chicken or whatever type of meat. I'm going to do pork and then my egg roll wraps. So I'm going to start with my carrots. Also, you guys, I got my hair done on Friday, and if any of you follow Eloise, it was actually her hair video that inspired me to go out and get this hairstyle, and I was just like, it's not that I'm over the sew-in, I was just like, I kind of want something different, I want something out of my face. Like, I was kind of sick of having to do my hair every single day. I was over it. I'm back in the gym, and I just felt like I was sweating my hair out. And I was sick of it, so I decided, let's go get some braids. Okay, so if any of you guys follow Aaliyah's face as well, I did love her hair, and I was going to do braids like that. But then I saw Eloise, and I was like, I kind of want that, because I just didn't want anything in my face. Like, that was my biggest thing, is that I wanted hair out of my face. Like I said, I'm back in the gym, so I just kind of wanted something that was going to be like low maintenance. I didn't have to do too much with it, so I went with this, and now the hair's out of my face. I have these like 2 cute little curly pieces in the front. I'm just going to cut up my carrots now. Now that our carrots are nice and thinly sliced, we are going to get, ooh, I just dropped one, no. Now we're going to get started on our cabbage. And we're going to let our cabbage sit in a little bit of salt water for about 10 minutes while we cook our pork. My mom used to make cabbage a lot growing up. Also, fun fact, I was actually born in St. Andrews, Jamaica. And we used to eat like corned beef and cabbage. Like, I've always loved cabbage. And I'm so sick that I had it out of my diet for so long. Now that our cabbage is all done, I'm going to get some water over this with a little bit of salt and let that sit, and then we'll get started on our pork. One more thing, before we even start our pork, we have to let our rice noodles sit in some hot water. So I'm gonna open up, I got my hot water right here. Okay, I'm only gonna add in one of the like bundles of rice noodles into the water. Okay. Okay, we're gonna let that sit and let's go start cooking our pork. Now let's get started on our pork. I already have my pan heating up. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil to the pan. then I'm just gonna use half of this pork. I'm not gonna use the whole thing, and I'm just gonna add that to my pan. Now that our pork is basically cooked, I'm gonna add in my seasonings. I'm also going to add some soy sauce and just give that a good mix. Now we can add in all of our veggies. And we're just gonna let our veggies cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll add in our noodles. It's been about 3 to 4 minutes. Our veggies are cooked, so let's add in our noodles. Also just gonna add a little sesame oil to it, just a little. Give that a good mix. Now that everything is nicely incorporated, we are going to transfer it over onto our plate and let this all cool before we roll up. Okay, now that our filling is nice and cool, we can start making our egg rolls. This is the egg roll wraps that I'm going to be using. I just got it from Kroger. So I'm going to take my first wrap. I'm going to take a little bit of the filling. Okay, and then I'm going to roll over and tuck it. One more time. I'm going to grab the edges and I'm going to pull them in. And then this over here is a flour and water paste, and it will act like glue to keep it nice and wrapped. So put that on the end and then we just wrap. And there's our egg roll. Oh, there's a little noodle hanging out. Okay, but then there's our egg roll. Okay, our egg rolls are all assembled now, so I'm just going to add them to my pan. I have some oil in there, and we're gonna fry these up and taste them. I can't wait, I'm so excited. We're just gonna cook our spring rolls for about 4 minutes, and then it'll be time to plate and enjoy. You guys, our spring rolls are all done. Here, let me pick you guys up so you can see better. Spring rolls are all done, and then I just have this soy sauce, fish oil, sesame seed oil concoction going on to dip my spring rolls in. But look how beautiful these turned out. At that time where we try, let's go with this one. And I just want, listen, you see that? These are crunchy. Ooh, look at that. Look at, can you guys see that very well? Let me try and get my camera to focus. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, let's give it a try. I'm actually really glad I decided to do pork. It's such a good flavor. And then my little dipping sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed cooking with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed just kind of, I hope you guys can feel the new energy. I think that's a big thing. I hope that I exude this new energy that I am feeling within myself. And again, thank you guys for coming and cooking with me. These spring rolls turned out so good, so if you do try it, please let me know. And I'm just excited for the summertime. I'm excited for juices and colorful meals that I will be bringing to you guys. But if there's anything that you want to see, please don't forget to comment down below, and also like, share, subscribe, come back next week because I will be here. Because I'm not just being consistent for you guys, but I'm being consistent for myself. But anyways, I will see you guys next week for another video. And again, thank you for coming and cooking with me, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!